so my name is Catherine with a K, and my channel is called Oh Yes She Did. Thank you for stopping by and watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment to do so. So yes, I'm playing with my hair a lot because this video is about this hair. I don't know if you have naturally curly hair, but sometimes it is difficult on how to take care of it and what products to use. I'm here to show you how to get this, exactly what I do, and I use one product, and I'm going to show you that one product. Shea Moisture Curling Gel Souffle. This right here is all you need, just one product. It's going to keep your hair so gorgeous, so bouncy, so juicy. It smells good. It smells like coconuts. Who doesn't like coconuts? I like coconuts. I'm pretty sure you like coconuts. But anyways, and the good thing about this is your hair isn't like frizzy, because I hate curls that's got a lot of frizz. That drives me nuts. That literally drives me nuts. I used to put tons and tons and tons of products in my hair when I would wear it curly, and I would hate how fuzzy it would be, so that's why I wouldn't really wear it curly. So when I found this and tried this, it has changed my life. So I need it, you need it, we all need this product. So thank you, Shea Moisture, for creating this amazingness. And it doesn't have a bunch of stuff in it. I like it that it has no sulfates, parabens, gluten-free. We all are about gluten-free these days. And no synthetic flavor, I mean color, and fragrance. If you want to see how to get this hair, stay tuned. Okay, so I've shampooed and conditioned my hair. So now I'm gonna show you how to get those juicy curls. So this is the curling gel souffle. So I take a handful and then I just scrunch it up into my hair. Then I like to take a towel and get up in there. You can even flip your head if you want. Okay? So then you look like this. Then I take my hair dryer and I turn it on to a warm setting and I turn it on to low. Here is your hair after you're done blow drying. I like to blow dry my hair until it is about 90% dry. I don't fully dry it. So I let it kind of do its thing after it's almost dry. So 90% and then let the rest air dry. Look at this. Look at these curls. This is magic. Look at that. It literally brings your curls to life. So this is the final look.